Now we want to do the actual coding using the scanf command. So we learned that we've got the scanf command, and we said the scanf is used to display the what it will prompt us to write whatever we want to write at the input at this black screen. So as you can see, I'm going to write printf like this. I will put my parentheses, I will put my double quotes, and I will write enter your age. So I'll write enter your age. So after writing enter your age, I will also put \n. Probably we are going to be using we are going to be writing another line down there. After saying enter your age, it means that someone must enter his age. So age is an integer, so I'm going to put %d. Remember, we said %d for integers, and after that don't forget to put a comma, and after that don't forget to define the memory location. And maybe your age, you are going to store it in x, so you put your x like this and you terminate. So what is left for us, guys, is to declare. We are saying x is going to be stored, our age is going to be stored in x, so we need to declare. It is important to declare our x. So what we do, because x is an integer, our age is an integer, so we are going to say int, and we are going to say x like this. So whatever we use as data inside the scanf must be declared. I hope you are getting me. So I've declared x because I used it inside my scanf. So let's run the program. As you can see now, it is saying enter your age, and I will say my age is 16 like this. So with that, we are saying it is prompting us to enter to write something at the output. So this is an input command where we are inputting our data. That is the use of scanf. And as you can see, printf is just saying enter your age, and scanf will prompt us to enter the actual data. So let's again make use of the pin. Maybe you want to say enter your pin. So because of time, I'll just copy this statement. Let me put it inside here, and I'll say enter your pin. If I say enter your pin, it means that I will also need to write scanf. I will put the double quotes, and because my pin, I'm assuming it's all numbers, it's a positive whole number, so I will say it's %d, it's an integer, %d. After that, you put a comma, and you put the memory location, ampersand, and you write pin, because we are talking about the pin, and of course you terminate. After terminating, we said whatever we used inside the scanf must also be declared. I will also declare int pin because I used it inside my scanf, and I'll also run the program like this. So enter your age, we said the age is 16, and I'll press enter. Enter your pin 2334 like this. So this is my pin. So this is how we enter. This is how we use our EcoCache. When they say enter your pin, at the back there is a code which is also using the scanf, something like the scanf like this. Okay, now we talked about different data types. Maybe let's remove this pin, and let's try and write another statement, which is enter your initial. Remember, we talked about characters. Your initial is a single character, so I'll also put the scanf. So scanf, and I'll put the opening brackets and the closing and the quotes, but this time it is going to be %c because we are talking of the character, and of course I'll say comma, ampersand, I'll say ampersand init. That is my taste, because for initial, and I'll do this. But whatever I use inside the scanf must also be declared. So I will say cha, because this is a character. This time I'm not going to say int, but I'll say cha init, and I will terminate. And after terminating, if I run the program, I must also enter the character. Enter your age 16. Oh, sorry. It's refusing to. It's actually a normal problem. Let me just change and put it on top so that at least we see what we are trying to say. If I say enter your initial, I will say C, and I will say enter your age 16, like this. Okay, so this is how we do it. And if I want also to talk about the decimal values, I will also say, probably I'll say enter your weight, printf, and that is the last thing that we want to look at. We said enter your weight. Assuming your weight is in decimal numbers, it means that I'll also put the scanf. This time I'll say scanf. I put the opening brackets, I'll put the quotes, and this time we are saying %f because it is a decimal, and of course I'll put the comma and I'll put the ampersand, and I will say weight. Oh, you can actually write weight in full if you want, and I will terminate. Remember, whatever you write inside the scanf must be declared. So I'll also declare, let me remove this declaration. We are done with it. I'll also declare my weight, that is float. So this is how I declare my weight. Float weight, like this. So as for now, don't worry about declaring the string. We are just saying we are going to learn about how we declare strings later on, but for now let's master the integer, the character, the float for the declarations. So if I run the program, enter my initial C, enter your weight 23.00. This is a decimal. Enter your age 16, like this. So basically this is how we make use of the scanf command. Thank you very much.